Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the game install and preserving your progress. First, run the platform client verifier and repair any missing or corrupted files. This fixes common launch failures. Once done, update your GPU drivers and Windows so compatibility issues are removed, and install the latest Fight Night Champion patch to address known bugs. Finally, backup save files to cloud or a local folder so you can safely experiment without losing progress. Now dive into detailed fixes. Run the game in compatibility mode or as administrator to bypass permission-based crashes. Next, disable overlays and background apps like Discord, GeForce Experience, or recording tools because they often conflict with rendering and input. If you use mods or third-party trainers, remove them temporarily and test a clean run. Mod conflicts cause desync, crashes, and corrupted saves. Make sure to test after each change. Finish by performing a clean reinstall when previous steps fail. Uninstall, manually delete leftover folders, and reinstall the game to eliminate persistent file corruption. After reinstall, reset controller bindings and test keyboard input to rule out hardware or configuration problems, and adjust input lag or VSync settings if frame timing feels off. If crashes continue, collect crash logs and error codes. Then try a driver rollback or system restore point. This single troubleshooting tip often resolves stubborn regression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.